Hi friends, in this video I'll demonstrate you about a energy meter. So the one that we are developing over here, that is basically a single phase energy meter, so which can measure up to 30 amps AC current and like 1000 volts AC voltages. The topology that we are using, that is basically Arduino, which is connected with a LCD display, and on the left side you can see that there is basically a current sensor. So you can use a CT, or you can use also a Hall effect based current sensor, that is ACS 712 series. So it can be 5 amps, 10 amps, 20 or 30 amps. The other is that I am using a transformer. As you can see that the both of the values that I am feeding to my controller, both are AC values, and I am basically mirroring from AC values, because if you convert AC values into DC values and after that you mirror, so there is a high chance of getting errors in the values, and you have to do too many calculations to avoid those errors. In this system we will be using basically AC values to measure the value. So after that I will show you that how you can do that. So let's run the simulation. So as I run the simulation, you can see that I am applying 225 volts. If you check over here, and you can also verify it from the screen as well. So if you check from the meter that I have connected over here, that is 225 volts, and you can see that I am applying 9.3 something amps, 9.36 amps. So this is exactly the same amps as you can see. So now what I will do is I will just uh, increase the resistance between the load, so that the currents will be decreased, and we will also try to show you that this thing will be displayed on LCD as well. So let's start increasing the resistance. You can see it's become 3.5 amps, and you can also verify it's 3.5 amps. So now it is 4.1, so that is exactly the same amps. So let's decreasing it 2.43, so 2.41. Okay, so let's go on. It's 1.8, so you can see it's 1.8. So the system is very much accurate, so the chance of error is very low. So it's 1.5 something, 1.57. Now it's 1.12, it's 1.10. So it's 9.4, 9.34, so it is 9.4. So you can also see that that this is basically the voltages that we are applying to our system. Then this is the amps. Let me zoom it out. Okay, so this is the amp. Then this is kVA. kVA is basically obtained by multiplying amps with the voltages. Then there is a kilowatt, which is multiplied with the power factor, and then there is a kilowatt hour as well. So this one is basically complete energy meter. So if you like this video, you can also subscribe my channel for more videos related to this kind. And if you want the files like code and the simulation, you can also send a mail on my mail ID. I will also place a link in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.